Hi, welcome back, and now we are moving on to data analytics. Data analytics is the process of examining data sets to help drawing conclusions or making decisions based on our business questions. Do you still remember that we talked about the 6 types of analytics questions? They are the descriptive questions, exploration questions, inferential questions, predictive questions, causal questions, and mechanistic questions. Data analytics is the process of answering these questions based on our data. Further, do you remember the data analytics strategy and processes? They are frame, assemble, calculate, and share. Now, data analytics is at the calculate stage. There are 3 main common solutions to our business problems. Most of our business questions are ultimately solved by either classification, regression, or clustering. The typical question that we ask for classification is, would it be A or B? For example, if you are in a telco company, then the ultimate answer that you want is, will the customer stop subscribing our service? Yes or no? And if you are able to identify that a particular customer is likely to churn, then you may arrange several strategies to attract this customer. Or you may have wrote off 2 marketing plans, but which one draws more attention or which is more effective? Another example, say a credit card fraud problem, you may need to determine whether an activity is normal or weird by looking at various features. If you wish to answer the question, what is the value? How much or how many? You may need to do regression modeling. For example, what is the stock price tomorrow? How much would the sales be next month? How many COVID-19 cases would there tomorrow? The most common regression modeling is the linear regression, which you will learn in the next use case tutorial. Another common solution to our data analytics question is clustering, which is to find the underlying segmentation or grouping within our data. This is actually relatively the hardest question to answer, as there may not be any obvious answers. Some example questions are, what kind of readers like the similar kind of articles? What kind of customers buy the similar kinds of goods? Now that you have been introduced to data analytics, we will then move on to 2 fundamental data analytics approaches, namely the correlation and linear regression.